Hi, welcome to WOW TV. My name is Angel and I'm here from the Wizards of Wright program. The WOW program is a part of the Educational Outreach Office here at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Today, you're going to learn something called design thinking. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Design thinking is a process used by engineers and designers to help them solve complex problems and create solutions and products that meet people's needs. It's the idea of solving problems, real problems, and serving the needs of others. When solving a problem, engineers have to think about who needs the solution and does it actually meet their needs. If the problem was, what should we have for dinner? And the solution is cheese pizza, but you're allergic to dairy products, then that's not a good solution. If the problem is, how will our clients and customers get to our office on the third floor? And the solution is, we'll put in several flights of stairs. That's not a good solution if any of your customers have health issues that makes climbing stairs difficult. The solution has to work for the end user, all of them. Today, our job is to be an engineer, and we will think about making a solution to solve somebody's problem. We'll have to figure out who we are helping and what to create to help them. Our ultimate goal is to create something that solves a problem by helping others. Let's practice by talking about a special example: recycling. What material do we not lack around the world? Plastic. Millions of tons of plastic waste is produced each year. That material can be recycled, but then what do we do with it? Engineers are working to come up with new ideas using recycled materials. We now have clothing, park benches, buildings, and even cars made from recycled plastics. Can you think of any other products made from recycled materials? When making something new out of something recycled, engineers need to make sure that the materials they're going to use are easy to get and that their solution isn't expensive. Teachers, in your binder, you'll find a specific example of people solving problems when reusing plastics. Designing and building a solution with the end user in mind encourages us to ask, who will use this? And what do we need to know about how they will use it? It is important to start with the question, what is the problem? Maybe the problem or need is different in different areas of the world. When groups begin to propose solutions, they need to think about the different requirements and problems that could affect that build. You will use prompt cards for today's challenge. Each card describes something a customer needs you to create. Your teacher will decide if you're working on your own for this activity, with a partner, or with a small group of 3. Teachers, please give each student or group a challenge card. Or you can decide to pick one for the whole class to work on at the same time. As they're working and you're moving around the room, ask them to describe who they are designing for. Thinking about the person who needs our creation is the beginning of empathizing. Ask students to explain what their customer needs and why they might need it. I'll wait a moment while you assign the tasks. When you come back, we'll go over the directions. Okay, before you start creating something, you have some thinking to do. I'd like for you to try to come up with at least 3 ideas before deciding on just one. Then you will begin to build a model of your solution. Today, since you're my engineers, we'll be using an engineering and design word. You will be building your prototype, a sample or model of your solution. At the end, you'll have a chance to share your idea with the rest of your class. Teachers, today's main takeaway is this: why is it important to think about the needs of users when designing a solution to a problem? Now, go ahead and start thinking and designing and building your prototypes. Thanks for joining me. Teachers, thank you for using this WOW lesson, and please check out more at our website at wpafbstem.com.